everyone. We're here to do the drawing for the ears. If you saw my most recent YouTube video, then you know that we're giving away the pair of no-sew mini ears that I made in that video tutorial. And if you haven't checked that video out, be sure and do that. We will link that down below so that you can watch that video and learn how to make your own pair. But we had several people comment, but we only had 3 people who commented in the way that actually enters you to win those ears. And so we have put those 3 names here on our little wheel, and I'm going to spin that for you now, and we're going to pick the winner. All right, congratulations, Megan. You are the winner of our Halloween themed No-Sew Mini ears. So I will be reaching out to you soon to get your mailing address so that we can send those out to you. Thanks so much to those of you who entered.